Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now today we have a very exciting coin for you. It is the honeybee coin. Now this is to celebrate the 200th anniversary of the Australian honeybee, and you've got a little bit of information on the back there. Let's get into the product itself. I must say that I really like the honeycomb pattern on the outer box, and I also like the fact that when you get your inner box here, it is a nice shiny box, but they give you that extra protection there. It also works as a buffer for the box itself. Now, first of all, you got some bubble wrap. That's just something that EMK pops in there as a little bit of extra protection. Let's get on the certificate. It is the 2022 1 ounce silver proof coin. This coin is struck for the country of Niue and it has a denomination of $1. You can see there a very attractive mintage of 1,000 pieces. Very nice. Take off a little bit of foam there and let's get into this coin. Now the reason I'm excited about this coin is because we have so much going on here. Personally, I think this is a fantastic design. I love the combination of the silver with the gilded motif there. You can see up top we've got honeybee, very nice. You've got the little bits of honeycomb going around this side of the coin, and you can just see the wattle underneath there, which gives it that Australian touch. Very nice. Here, of course, we have Elizabeth II because it's struck for Niue. It has a face value of $1, and there again you can see 1 ounce silver. Let's just get in here to get a closer look so you can fully appreciate what has gone into this piece. Very good. It really, oh my goodness. Just to see how much it reflects, it's just so lovely to look at. That big honeybee up the front there, just a massive contributor to our planet. Fantastic. Love the interchanging silver and gold there, and the rim, just that straight rim. Very nice. So sharp, and really does add to the design of this coin. Just an interesting fun fact about the honeybee, it was actually introduced to Australia in 1822. So before then, there were no bees in Australia, and now they're such a vital part of our environment. Fantastic. Just getting closer, it still looks great. I mean, it looks, great. It looks even better. What am I saying? That rim again, lovely, and just that complete mirror finish on the queen's side there, all the details in her hair. You can just see how well this piece has been struck. Just wonderful. Speaking of pieces, I did mention before, there are 1,000 of these coins out there for collection. And of course, you do receive the certificate of authenticity. You've seen the box that it comes delivered in. It's 3/9 silver with that lovely gold and just the details in there. 3 bees on the coin. You've got the honeycomb, 5 bees on the coin. I just spotted those ones that are running over the word honeybee. Just a phenomenal piece. Really, really nice. If you're interested in having this coin as part of your collection, do check out www.emk.com.